All right, starting at the top of that white oak tree, you can see how much that canopy leaned towards the house. As I come down, look at the tractor and see the house, it's only maybe 60 feet away. So it's much too close for my comfort. So I'm gonna have to drive in those wedges and, like I said, get the bottom cleared out so I can make sure and get that tractor in there in case I gotta push a little bit, cheat a little bit, use some mechanical advantage. We got the tulip poplar out of the way. I went ahead and cleaned up around the base, got rid of a bunch of the stuff that was kind of in like this, tangling up, stuff you could trip over. Now we got the tractor in place there as a backup in case I can't get enough bite with those wedges to start walking it over. So I'm going to use a lot of wedges this time. I'm going to take out a shorter notch out of the front as well so I can have more meat in the back cut to drive those wedges in to walk it over. So you can see all the weights on this side, so I'm going to leave a pretty hefty hinge and do as much with the wedges as I can. And like I said, worst case with the tractor, if I have to give it some assistance, I will. Every now and then you get those gut feelings you need to take a step back and take another look at it. I think I'm going to get some bigger wedges. Those short ones are going to drive in too fast and I'm not going to get the bite that I need out of it, so I'm going to run and grab those quick. What's that, buddy? Yeah. Is it starting to walk over, bud? What? Is the tree starting to walk back that way?
I'm thinking if you cut all the way to the sides, then you'll maybe get a chance of cutting it all out.
Okay, you just stay over there. All right, so as you guys can see, the tree is down. I'm gonna pan over here a little bit. Went pretty much exactly where I wanted it to go. Problem is, because I'm partially retarded, the camera battery died when I set the tractor up against it and used it for some mechanical advantage, and made the rest of the cuts that got it to the spot where it needed to be. But the good news is it was safe, ended up where I wanted it to, and nothing got broken, including me. This is Enlightened Logger signing off for the day. Stay classy, South Carolina.